Hey y'all, it's me, Deja the Diva. How are you doing this evening? I'm doing fine. Now y'all know my last video, I was redoing my fireplace. Um, Let me turn around so I can greet my people. Hi YouTube fam. I'm still at it, still working hard here. I've moved on to my next project until my fireplace dries so I can put the water-based acrylic on it to seal it. So I'm going to do my bedroom. My bedroom has been a work in progress for the last 2 years. And I'm going to tell you why. Because when I started doing it, and I found out that I had double breast cancer. So that put everything to a halt. Um, my third bedroom, which I don't use as a guest room, I use as a closet. This even needs a closet. So I turned that into a closet, but I didn't get the chance to put the shelves up. So everything had to come to a halt while I went and got treatment. So, in saying that, let me turn you back around. This is my room. It's not a big room, as you can see. It's not a big room. And that's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm good at small spaces. But this is a queen size bed. And as you can see, I have it on the risers. Yes. I love high beds, romantic style. My style is very eclectic. Farmhouse, glam. I like a little bit of French country, um, ethnic, bohemian. It's very eclectic, as I said before. But look at this bedspread. Now, as I told you, I have a queen size bed, but it's hard to find queen size sheet sets and comforters that fit properly because I have the pillow top mattress and box spring, as you can see. I just ripped the plastic off the mattress because when I was going through all my surgeries and stuff, I had a lot of drains. I went through 6 surgeries, and we'll discuss that later. But I had drains, and there was always seeping blood and body fluids and stuff, and I didn't want to mess up my mattress. So the box spring still has the plastic, and I just tore the plastic off my mattress. But in saying that, I always buy king. Always buy king because they fit better. This is more of a farmhouse, maybe French country. It has the bird cages. It's a dusty rose color, if you can't tell. Really soft pink with some beige, tannish bird cages. We got some birds. We got some flowers. We have some names of the flowers and stuff written in French. We have some stamps, some vines, some flowers. Just really, 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 really cute. Now, I got this in January when they were on sale. I think it was $29.99. So that was a good deal. I don't know what the original price was. Oh, the original price was $100, if you can see that. Was $100, and I got it for $29.99. It is an 8-piece set. The comforter is reversible, 2 reversible shams, 4-piece sheet set, and a bed skirt, a tailored bed skirt. So you can do it either way. Love the options. Love the options. I'm an options girl. And then you have this piece. Yay! Y'all do not sleep Burlington. They have some good deals. I don't know why that's in there. They have some really, really, really good deals and some beautiful stuff. Don't Sleep Burlington, and their prices are good. I had been looking for a crown to hang over my bed in that spot, and I have the tulle fabric that I used to have as a canopy over my bed that I'm going to have coming from underneath it. But look, and it's feminine. You know, I just love it. I just love it. I might have to put some diamonds on those dots though. I'll zhuzh it up, you know I will, but I love it as is. Look at that price. $24.99. Do you know how long I have been looking for a crown to hang over my bed? On Amazon and stuff, they're like, the cheapest I seen it was like 100 and something. And they usually have it for a nursery room. But I am a woman. I am a queen. And I deserve a crown over my bed. Yes, darling. Yes. But anyway, yeah, I'm keeping the green curtains. These are mint green curtains. I don't know if you can tell with the lighting or not. But I got these curtains actually at a thrift store. They go all the way down. They're like 105 inches. They're falling down now because I just put my bed on risers. But I'll redo them. I washed my walls with Lysol and bleach. And when I say Lysol, I mean the old school brown bottle with the red and yellow sticker on it. Yeah, that kind of Lysol, the kind they use in the hospital. I'm healing from double breast cancer. My immune system is down. I am not trying to get sick by any means. No, no, I am not. So, yeah, but that's what I did. I did all my walls. And plus, my grandson, who I raised, he has asthma and allergies. And, you know, we don't want to be in the hospital. Children's have seen us enough. Okay, but these back to these curtains. They're 105 inches. The width is 54 on each panel. I just have them scrunched up a bit, but I paid $4.95 a pair after the half off sale. I am the thrift queen. I will get anything and everything I can get half price. I hardly ever pay full price for anything. The valance you see hanging, the gold with the beading, those were $1.95. So yeah, that's it. I did pay full price for my crown. I was willing to pay full price for that. And if you look over there, don't mind my junk. I'm decluttering, like I said. If you look over there, that TV, it's 40 inches. And I had got that on sale 4 years ago at Target during the Black Friday sale for $119. Yeah. All my beauty products, I got to do something with that because, whoo, I use all that stuff. So I just got to find a better, prettier way to organize it. My picture up here, that's part of my ethnic thing I like. Family Dollar, $8. And my little women up here, Nefertiti's, I found them at the flea market for $3 for the pair. Now, this picture here, my daughter actually bought that for me at the Pittsburgh Arts Festival about 3 years ago. Yeah, I love that. So I gotta find a place for that. My rug here. It's maroon, so it'll definitely go with the dusty pink. It has the beigeish, goldish vines on it, and the leaves on it have green, which goes with my curtains. And the flowers are goldish and white, and they have the rose-colored bud in the middle, so they go. Don't mind my toes, even though they are done. Cute, cute, cute. Still see the paint on me from earlier today. My toes are sparkled too. And I have no corns, honey. I'm not one of them girls to stuff my foot in a shoe that don't fit. I have big feet and I cannot lie. You other girls may deny. Nope, not me. I got to have room. So I don't care how big my shoe looks. I always get cute shoes because I am a shoe girl also. We'll discuss that later on too. But yep, this is my room and I wanted to give you guys a little tour before I redo it. And I'll come back after the transformation is made and I steam clean my carpets and yeah, all that good stuff. Again, this is Deja the Diva. And I just want to say I will return back to this video. Yeah, keep on keeping on. Like I say, God bless you. May God and heaven smile upon you. Yep, you will see a new room. I can't wait. I'm finally well enough to get it done. Also, please like and subscribe. People keep telling me, don't forget to say like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. Also, everybody that I have supported and I like their videos and I subscribed and hit that bell and everything, I'm asking you to do the same thing for me. Support me in my channel as I have supported you in yours. Thank you. God bless. Peace out. And next time I do another video, it will be to reveal both the fireplace and my room. So yeah, keep on keeping on. May have God in heaven smile upon you and have a terrific rest of your day. This is Thursday, so I'll probably be posting this video back on Friday. The results of this video. So, yep. Love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you then. Another look at my stuff here. This is going to be so fun. I can't wait to show you guys. I am so happy to be well enough to do this. Yay!